Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the pack you want removed. This matters because Telegram stores stickers per account. Tap the sticker in Chat or Open Settings, then Stickers and Masks. Once the preview opens, tap the pack name at the top to access pack options. Make sure you're on the account where the stickers appear, since removing from a different profile won't affect this one. This immediate step gets you into the pack controls so you can perform removal actions next. You now remove the pack from your saved list, which stops easy access and recent suggestions. Open the pack menu using the 3 dots or more button and choose Remove or Delete. Telegram will ask you to confirm, so tap Confirm. Once removed, the pack won't appear in Stickers or the Suggestions drawer, though it may remain cached locally for a short time. Repeat the same steps for any other packs you want gone, and consider toggling any settings that autosave sticker usage. To finalize removal, clear the app cache so residual sticker files are purged. Go to Settings, Data and Storage, then Storage Usage and Clear Cache. Confirm the action. If a pack still appears due to local caching or sync issues, uninstalling and reinstalling Telegram will remove leftover files. Once reinstalled, sign back in and verify the pack is gone. If stickers reappear on other devices, make sure to clear cache or repeat removal there, since sticker state syncs per account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.